ng forces, horizontal, is equal to 0. To the right is positive. Okay, P cosine of 30 degrees plus F, which is equals to Fn na 0.25 multiplied with the normal force, okay, is equals to 2.5. Okay? So ngayon, yung ating normal force is same lang sa ating, okay, hindi pala, no? Okay, tama. Dito rin sa equation number 2. So, parehas lang siya. So, ito naman yung ating equation number 1 under letter B. Next, summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. So, negative P sine of 30 degrees, okay, plus N is equals to 4.33. So, ito naman yung ating equation number 2. Next, eliminate natin yung ating force N ulit. So, i-divide natin ito ng 1 over 0.25. Therefore, yung ating equation number 1 is magiging 3.464 P. Okay, gawin natin siyang negative 1 over 0.25. So, mangyayari, negative 3.464 okay, minus N is equals to negative 10. Yung ating namang equation number 2 is equals to negative 0.5 multiplied by P okay, plus N is equals to 4.33. So, addition, mag-cancel out yung ating force N. So, mangyayari dito, negative 3.964 P is equals to negative 5.67. Therefore, ang ating force P na mag-produce ng movement na pababa is equals to 1.430 kilo Newton. Okay? So, ito yung condition letter C. So, kung ang atin daw na P is equals to 2 kN, ano raw yung magiging direction and magnitude ng ating frictional force? So, kung 2 kN yan, okay, tapos ito yung ating x prime axis, naman yung ating y prime axis, at alam natin na ang horizontal component of 5 kN is 2.5. Ang vertical naman is 4.33. Dahil ang angle ng ating 5 kN with respect to x prime axis is 60 degrees. Ito naman is 30 degrees. So, kailangan natin alamin kung ano yung horizontal component na px. Ito. Para malaman natin yung direction ng motion. Ito naman, dy. So, yung ating px is equals to p, which is equals to 2 kN multiplied by cosine of 30 degrees. Therefore, ang ating px is equals to 1.732 kN. Okay? So, since ang ating force P is less than, ang px natin is less than 2.5 kN, ang mangyayari, yung movement natin is pababa. Okay? So, mas nag-govern yung pababang motion. So, mangyayari, ang ating force F is opposite to that direction. So, ito yung ating force F. Okay, lang. So, ito naman yung ating normal force N. Okay? So, ano to itong normal force F na to? So, madali na lang yan. By summation of forces horizontal. The summation of forces horizontal is equal to 0. To the right is positive. So, F, okay, plus P, which is equals to Px na 1.732 minus 2.5 is equal to 0. Therefore, ang ating force F is equals to 0.768 kilo Newton. Okay? So, mas mahina yung ating force, frictional force. So, kailangan ng tulong ni PX para ma-resist yung ating movement na downward and create mismo ng weight ng ating lamp na horizontal component na 2.5. Okay, so this is our problem number 2 for the topic of friction under statics of rigid bodies. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.